Hallo dear students, Deutschkurs, Germankurs, Buch 2, Book 2. Lektion Nummer 24, lesson number 24. So in this lesson we will learn about how and has in German language. In this lesson we will learn about the use of how and has in German. Since you are basic and non-native German learners, so let's have a look for German nouns and their genders. Before we start our new lesson, I have kept the explanations very simple. To know about the usage of and n articles in German language. German nouns and genders, step 1. Keep in mind that German nouns have genders. In German, all nouns belong to 3 groups of gender, like der for masculine, die for feminine and plural, and das for neuter nouns. For now, just focus on masculine, der, and feminine, die. Step 2. Now, learn the difference between ein, eine, and einen. There are articles which is used instead of a and n. Ein used for neuter and masculine when it is subject. Example: Ein Hund ist groß. A dog is big. Eine used for feminine nouns. Example: Eine Katze ist klein. A cat is small. Einen used for masculine nouns when they are the object. Example: Ich habe einen Hund. I have a dog. So you can't say ich habe ein Hund. You must say ich habe einen Hund. I have a dog. Now step 3. Use simple objects to practice. Like in German we say ich habe einen Ball. In English we say I have a ball. So it is masculine. Der Ball, we use einen Ball. In German we say ich habe eine Katze. In English we say I have a cat. So Katze is feminine, so we use die Katze and we use eine Katze. So be careful. Here you can see einen Ball. And here we say eine Katze. And now you can see these are genders and these are example words. And these are correct articles in German. And these are the sentences using these genders in German. Now look at first table. Masculine, der. Stift. Stift means pen. The correct article, einen Stift. So in sentence we use ich habe einen Stift. I have a pen. Feminine, we use for feminine gender die. So Puppe. Puppe means doll. So eine Puppe. So look at this. Here we used einen. And here we are using eine because it is feminine. Eine Puppe. Ich habe eine Puppe. I have a doll. Now neuter. For neuter we use das. Buch. Buch means book. Ein Buch. Ich habe ein Buch. I have a book. So now this sentence, compare this sentence to the first one. Here we can see ich habe einen Stift, but here we say ich habe ein Buch. The difference is between the articles. Here we have used einen and here we used ein. This is all because there is gender difference. Step 4. In German, 3 words are used for my, mine, meine, and meine. Since you are basic and non-native German learners, I will explain mein, meine, and meinen in a simple way like we did with ein, eine, and einen. Look at mein. Mein, used for masculine, is subject and neuter words. Mein Ball ist rot. My ball is red. Meine. Meine is used for feminine and plural words like meine Puppe ist schön. My doll is beautiful. Meinen. Meinen is used for masculine words in the object position. Ich habe meinen Ball. I have my ball. And now vocabulary in English and also in Deutsch. A pen, ein Stift. A pencil, ein Bleistift. A ball, ein Ball. A cat, eine Katze. So here is the difference. Ein. Because Katze is feminine noun. A dog, ein Hund. A doll, ein Puppe. A picture book, ein Bilderbuch. A storybook, ein Märchenbuch. Ein Märchenbuch. Left hand, linke Hand. Right hand, rechte Hand.